Sup, Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, UAG was kind enough to send me out these 3 cases here for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So pretty much we have the Pathfinder with MagSafe. This is the ice color, so this is like the OG plasma, but it's just called the Pathfinder. It's a little different, has a little bit more protection, but the color is like the plasma is what I meant to say. Then we also have the Pathfinder with this little camo kind of look here. You get your dark gray, your light gray, your even darker gray. Then you just get an all black Pathfinder for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. All 3 of these, as you can see, have 18 feet drop protection. So now let's go over to their website so you can see how much these 3 cases will run you if you were to pick them up for yourself. So if you want to pick up the Pathfinder cases, they will cost you $59.95 plus tax. Don't worry, I'll drop a link in the description, but pretty much you can get this in the Geo Camo, which is this color right here. You also get it in a Black Midnight Camo, which I believe is what I have. My bad, I told you wrong. And you can get it in this clear color, this ice color, and all black. So now let's just go with the black first because it's just a regular color. We're going to open this up like so. Like I said, all 3 of these do have access to MagSafe. So I'm going to pull out my MagSafe charging pad. Pretty much this is what the case looks like. So we're just going to place it on the device like so. And you get a nice lip around the front. So if you happen to place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. I currently do not have a screen protector on this device at the moment, but if you want to place this flat down on the table, I recommend you pick up a screen protector. No matter how thick that lip is around the front, still protect the front of your screen. Down here, you do get all the cutouts that are supposed to be there. You get the lanyard loop if you're into that sort of thing. You get some ridges on the side here. I believe this helps you grip the device a lot better. You know, it's not slippery. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the iPhone 15 Pro Max because iPhone 15 Pro Max is already a lightweight phone due to the titanium build. You do get access to your power button. It's nice clicky. On this side, you get access to your action button. You should be able to get in there and do what you have to do just like that. You get access to your volume up and down button, so they have a plus and a minus, which is nice and clicky. I don't know how well you can hear that. At the back here, you do get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So if you place it down flat on the table, on the back of it, you should be good to go. You also get fake little screws, which really look nice. That adds a nice little aesthetic to the case. It says UAG, and you get that MagSafe ring in the middle. So now let's just charge it with the MagSafe. And just like that, you have MagSafe capability. But if you do not have a MagSafe charger, you can also just wireless charge your device, and it should connect just like, hold on, let's see here. It should connect, but I think because this is a little heavy duty, it's not picking up wireless charge. Yes, it is. Sorry about that. But yes, you get wireless charging and the MagSafe charging. So now we're going to put this one up and we're going to try on that camo looking one for now. Sit that right there. So this one is the exact same, just in a different color. All of these cases are the exact same, just in a different color, but they all are going to look and feel the exact same in your hand. So this is what that camo one kind of looks like. I say if you have that natural titanium, then this might go really, really good with the natural titanium color. But like I said, everything is the exact same, so we're not going to go through that. But you do get your wireless, your MagSafe wireless charging, and you do have access to just regularly wireless charge your device. And also, I forgot to do this, you do get a nice cutout at the bottom for your USB Type-C charging cable. No problem. So now let's just move on to the final case, which will be that ice clear kind of case. I really like this because it reminds me of, like I said, the plasma design on the plasma series, but it's not that. Something different, but pretty much you just throw it on like so, and you're going to get that same look and feel. But this looks even better because you get that ice color, and if you have the white or the natural or the black iPhone 15 Pro Max, you'll be able to see the color of your device on the back, and then you get that gray ring for MagSafe, and everything is clicky, just like I said before, because this is the exact same style, just a different color. But for giggles, let's put it on the MagSafe charger, and it is charging like I suspected it to. And we put it on the wireless charger, and it is charging also. And we will put it through the USB-C charging cable, and it is charging just fine. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.